Here is how I make 2 weeks worth of high-protein vegetarian lunches in under an hour. I'm a nutritionist and sensory scientist who shares a new chickpea recipe every Friday, and these freezable chickpea pesto wraps are about to be added to your lunch rotation. Each of these wraps has about 25 grams of protein, and they can be stored in your freezer for up to 3 months. You're basically going to blend everything together in a food processor. We've got 4 cans of chickpeas, some onion, garlic, and basil, and then you'll just stir in some flour, spices, and egg whites. So the egg whites are not only for the high protein aspect, but they're also so that we can bake this onto a sheet pan and turn this into patties. Once it's cooked, you'll just use your spatula to cut it into 10 patties and then get to work rolling up those wraps. I also have a recommendation for my favorite tortilla wraps for this recipe. Technically, they're low carb, but I like them because they're really stretchy so they don't break while you're rolling. From there, wrap them up individually and freeze for up to 3 months. When you're ready to eat, just pop one out of the freezer, wrap it in a damp paper towel, and then microwave for 2 minutes. Gently peel it open, stuff it with whatever fresh veggies you want, and enjoy. Let me know if you try it out, and happy eating!